Today, I'm going to teach you how to send a picture in Microsoft Teams on your computer. This is a quick and easy way to share images with your colleagues during conversations, making your communication more visual and effective. First, look at the left side navigation panel of your Teams window. You'll see several options there, but we're focusing on the one labeled Chat. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to your messaging area where all your conversations are stored. Next, you'll need to select the conversation where you want to send the picture. Browse through your chat list and click on the specific conversation with the person or group you want to share the image with. This opens up the chat window where you can view your message history and compose new messages. Now, direct your attention to the text field at the bottom of the screen where you normally type your messages. Just above or near this field, you'll notice several icons. Look for the image icon, which typically looks like a small picture or camera symbol. Click on it to begin the process of attaching your picture. Once you click the image icon, you'll be presented with two choices. You can either attach cloud files, which pulls images from your OneDrive or other connected cloud storage, or you can upload from this device, which lets you select files directly from your computer's local storage. Both options are useful depending on where your image is stored. For this example, we'll use Upload from this device. Click on that option and your computer's file browser will appear on your screen. This is the same window you'd see when opening files in any other program on your computer. In the file browser, navigate to the location where your picture is saved. This might be in your Downloads folder, Pictures folder, or wherever you've stored the image you want to send. Once you've found it, click on the picture to select it, then click the Open button. This confirms your selection and attaches the image to your message. After clicking Open, you'll see the picture appear in your text field as a preview. This lets you confirm that you've selected the correct image before sending it. At this point, you can also add any text message to accompany the picture if you'd like to provide context or explanation. Finally, when you're ready to send, click the Send icon. This is usually a paper plane or arrow symbol located at the right side of the text field. Your picture will now be sent to the conversation and will appear in the chat for everyone to see. And that's it, you've successfully sent a picture through Microsoft Teams, making your conversation more engaging and informative. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.